Ko Kelli te Maiharoa tōku ikua, ko au te kaihautu o te kāhui whetū, Otago Polytechnic. Kia ora, I'm Kelli te Maiharoa. I'm the kaihautu for Capable Māori here at Otago Polytech. Excellent kaupapa Māori teaching is about decolonising the education space and also indigenising it. So what that looks like for us at Capable Māori is to create a safe space for Māori to learn in, to be able to learn with their whānau supporting them in a whānau type environment, creating a sense of connection and whanaungatanga amongst learners, and also that sense of kotahitanga, so we're all in this together.
What stands out in terms of Kelli's practice that really impresses and resonates with me is her advocacy for kaupapa Māori. And through that mahi, she has really opened up this space for many Māori ākona to flourish.
The practices that were most useful for me was that Kelli has te reo Māori, that she is a karakia practitioner, so she could do karakia, and her Indigenous and Māori perspectives as a wahine Māori also were useful in how I framed my work.
As kaihautu, I have oversight of providing a program that is bespoke and individualised for cohorts of learners. We have a pōwhiri process, wānanga spaces, and we also have a kaupapa Māori assessment process. Kaupapa Māori assessments were already in train. Our whānau like to know that there's a Kaupapa Māori assessment panel, and we travel to them so that whānau are comfortable being assessed in their own environment.
The impacts in learning with Capable Māori were significant because my whole framework was Māori, was Indigenous. So working and reading other Indigenous Māori academics' work helped me see that the writing that I was doing would meet the standard. I guess it gave us permission to write in Indigenous methodologies.
I'm inspired to teach because of my tipuna. I wanted to be a teacher like him, and I'm also inspired by a cousin of mine, Russell Bishop, and I remember seeing on his door that if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. So I wanted to be part of the solution in transforming our education to have equitable outcomes for Māori as Indigenous people of Aotearoa.